The last step to completing our groom is to add a hat band, and we're going to do that in a color that coordinates with the ribbons on the bride's bouquet. So we're going to roll out a thin little strip. So we're going to cut a thin little strip. And brush with a tiny bit of water. And then where the two meet, trim off the excess. There we go. And then that covers up the little seam on the hat there. And then we're going to give him a matching little flower boutonniere. But the flowers that we used for our bride's bouquet are a little bit too big to go sticking one on his jacket. So what we're going to do is just put a smaller flower on there. And I'm just going to press lightly in the middle. A little bit of water or gum glue on the back. And we'll just stick that in place. There we go. And then it's time to place his hat. So we'll put a little bit of water on the bottom. Let that sit for a minute to get tacky. And then remember, we didn't cover his entire head with the little hair bits because the hat's going to be going on there. But just in case this little part in the back shows, I'm just going to add a little bit more right there. Then we're going to add his hat. There we go. And now he's complete. But remember, he's not completely dry, so handle him very, very carefully. It's best to make these a week or so ahead of your event, just to make sure they're thoroughly dry. And there we go. We've got a bride and groom couple.